coin is starting to rally again. Will Bonk be a top meme coin in this bull run? That's what we're talking about. Is Bonk coin going to make you a crypto millionaire? Before we start the video, I want to ask, if you haven't already, do make sure you smash the subscribe button down below to stay tuned with the latest and greatest crypto news. And also, this is not financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence before investing any money in the cryptos we cover on this channel. But Bonk coin doing pretty good. We can see in terms of the week, yeah, we're down 17%. By the month, we're up a whopping 13%. We were seeing earlier this month, we were seeing a bit of a basing and it popped off. Now we're trending in a downward direction. However, I think this is setting up for new all-time highs. Here's the thing, guys. At the end of the day, the dog theme tokens are absolutely crushing. Now you add the dog theme tokens and you take Solana, which has been a crushing network this bull run, you're obviously in for a treat. We've even seen Boom do so successfully, being a frog theme token taken, off of Pepe, and it did phenomenal. I think Bonk has something special here. Not only that, guys, I think Bonk is probably the most underrated project in terms of social media, because they have over 326,000 followers, which no other meme coin that started off around this time of Bonk is at that high level, which is insane. So absolutely crushing. Bonk is a project you don't want to be sleeping on. Talking about a project you don't want to sleep on, I want to cover this pre-sale gem. Yeah, gem that's absolutely early and a massive opportunity. Let's go ahead and take a look. What is this? This is Play Doge, the best play to earn Doge companion game. Play Doge is a mobile-based play to earn that transforms the iconic Doge meme into a Tamagotchi. So a Tamagotchi style virtual pet. Embrace the 90s nostalgia by Play Doge token pre-sale to enjoy the classic 2D adventure and earn more crypto. So play to earn, Tamagotchi, 90s nostalgia, and Dogecoin mapped all into one. And guys, in 2 days and 7 hours, the time of filming this video, they're having a price hike. They've already raised $1.6 million. And the thing about pre-sale gems, guys, and again, keyword gems, is what makes them stand out from a regular pre-sale. One, is it a meme coin? Yes. Okay. Does it have utility? Yes. Is it unique to what's in the market? Absolutely. And you throw the cherry on top, and that's staking, and it makes people very, very interested. Let's go ahead and even see the socials are doing relatively okay. It still is a brand new project. They have about 1,500 followers, which again, they're growing rapidly fast. Introducing Play Doge, the only play to earn Doge companion, inspired by legendary Tamagotchi. Feed, train, play with your 2D Doge to earn play. Don't neglect your Doge. His life depends on it. So they got this Tamagotchi style game that you could download and play. So play to earn crypto game has never failed us in the past. $1.6 million raised. You're not going to want to miss out on this. I'm going to link in the description below where you can load up a bag for your pre-sale. So definitely take a look at that. But let's go back to Bonk. Taking a look at the technicals, we can see the oscillators are indicating a sell. However, the moving averages are indicating a buy, giving us an overall summary of a buy, which is again not too bad. Price is currently sitting at 4 zeros. Hopefully we can eat a zero very soon. That would be absolutely solid. And when we look at the long picture here, 1 week down 18%, 1 month up 16%, past 6 months up over 300%, year to date up 140%, and in the 1 year we're up almost 7,000%. This is absolutely insane. So guys, what I would say with Bonk is long-term investing, even swing trading, the best play is going to be to load up on its red days, load up on these minus 18% weeks, because again, when the momentum continues, these are going to be the gains you're making. Again, you don't make money when you sell your projects, you make money when you buy. So buying at the right time. That's why we cover pre-sale gems so much on this channel, because you're making your money at the buy. You're buying in before it goes live. You're buying in before they hike prices during the pre-sale. So again, just keep that in mind. Bonk is also taking over the news. We say meme coin Bonk surges 40%. Analysts forecast a massive growth propelling this project. Pepe lovers Solana to skyrocket 14,000%. KuCoin listing. There's a bunch of exciting things going on for Bonk. Again, crushing their social media, which is, again, to say the least, massive engagement. We see all their tweets are like 50,000, 40,000, 20,000 people are watching. We see in just 3 months, Let's Bonk has been seen in 15,000 registrations. That's 15,000 holders of dominance on the Bonk Dragons. Attributes come with ownership, which is absolutely insane. So that's pretty massive. The whole point is they are taking over the internet. They have massive sponsors. We see they're in a New York NFT in New York City, which is insane. They are everywhere, which is making this project stand out and bring that unique value. That's the thing, guys, with projects like meme coin specifically, you have to see how strong is their community building skills and what the future looks like for the project. And for me personally, the future looks bright for this project because they're so active and always giving back to the community and giving us reasons to tune back in, doing bigger sponsors, getting their faces out everywhere, getting the project out everywhere is something I like to see when investing in a meme coin. The health charts are looking healthy. We can see in terms of trending, we're at top 11, which is not too bad. Even in meme coins, when we go to the meme coin category, Bonk is again Again, not dominating, but still relatively in the top 10, which is pretty solid to say the least, with over a $2 billion market cap. And it's basically dancing with Floki. This could be absolutely insane for the future of this project. Again, none of this is financial advice. Always do your own research and due diligence. But let me know how you guys feel feeling about Bonk in the comment section below. Are you bullish? Are you bearish? I want to hear it all. That was the video. Until next time, it's your friend Umar. Peace.